Super Savers, how are you all doing? Welcome back to another video. Before we get into this video, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I always forget to say that in all my videos, so I'm saying so today before we start. Right, today, very quick one again, just another budgeting, cash stuffing, penny challenge update. But also I want to let you know today is that I went to the bank and I finished paying, well I didn't finish, but I put my instalment from my Argos pouch into my, obviously, Argos account, and I have nearly finished paying it. I literally have, like, this week's cash stuffing should actually have me finished paying my Argos card off, so that will be that, and I'm very happy about it. So yeah, that'll be one down, and then we focus then on the Very account, trying to get that down, and then we move on to the boys' beds, even though we're still tackling everything right now, but just in a more affordable manner. So today, folks, as usual, the budget is 200. So 40 of that I haven't taken out because I'm doing that transaction online for the boys' bed. So we go 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 80. Now, where am I missing money? Oh, and I spent a tenner already, and a tenner is also going for another transaction account. So there we are. Everything's accountable for. My money issues are always a bit of a... I wind up spending half of it before I even get it. But sure, look, I'm a bit of a mess. But we get there. That's why I'm saying with this cash journey and me, I'm doing everything super slow because things happen. And I don't want to be caught short. So, folks, we're going to start off by doing 50 into me food one. 10, 20, 30, 40... 10 is 50. There we go. Because I have to do the food shopping later on tonight, so at least that'll be that done. And we are doing 40 into the council tax. I've noticed that doing it this way, it just means it hits me less hard at the end of the month when I come to actually pay it, which is massive for me. I love it. We are going to put £10 into the water. And we are going to put the final 40 into the Argos catalogue. 10, 20, 30. Actually, do you know what? I think all I have left is 32 or something afterwards. But you know what? I'm just going to put the full 40 in for now because... Why am I putting the full 40 in? Just to be sure. Whatever else is left over. Yeah. So basically... I know the balance on my Argos card after I've paid in today's will be £30 something, but just to be sure that I have enough in and ready for it, because I can't be sure, because it takes 48 hours for the transaction to go through. So I'm just going to update it with the 40 anyway, and whatever's left over will be penny challenge for next week. So now I need to go and do my boys' beds online. I'm doing this thing now where I write it out, so just going through that there. So I was initially going to put 50 in for the boys' beds, but I'm not. I'm putting 40 in, and that extra tenner is going into childcare because I spent a tenner today, which would have been my tenner for childcare, but I spent it on art supplies for the boys because we have a project to do. So there we go. That's all that done. Shin A, my darlings, Shin A. Right, let's do this 1p challenge and see where we're at. I haven't had a lot of change this week because this week has been actually quite tight with money. So let me see, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90p. Well, sure, look, it's better than nothing. Where are we? We colour it in. Where am I? I'm down here. 90p into my cash stuffing this week. Or penny challenge, rather. God, I never know what I'm saying. Right, that is it, folks. I'm off to spend and pay my bills. That is everything. Very quiet one this week. I will be doing my shopping later on, and I will show you what I buy for my £50, because some weeks I get a really good deal and then other weeks, well, not so much. But at least you can see, like, as the prices are going up on everything, you can see what I'm actually getting in Lidl for 50 quid, because that's where I shop. It's the nearest one to me. And also, I like that they give you the money back when you reach the £100 mark and the £200 mark, which now my budget is like £200 a month now for food. And yeah, at least they give you a tenner back, and you get a few things every now and again that are useful. I don't find the app that great. I find they give you money off on things that you wouldn't necessarily buy. Like, I wouldn't be buying deluxe products unless it's something that I absolutely really need. And I wind up that they give you like a whole week's worth of vouchers on deluxe products, which is absolutely no use to me because some of them I wouldn't buy, the kids wouldn't eat. I wish they would give them more on things that we actually needed. That would be much more better. But sure, look, not my decision. folks, I'm going to love yous and leave yous here because that is it me done for the day until I go shopping, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks a million for watching, Super Savers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Chat to you soon. Bye. Hello folks, so just to round off today's video, I'm just going to show you what I actually got in Lidl today, which came under budget. I have changed, ladies and gentlemen, I have changed. Not a lot, but some. My shopping today came in at a really good bargain price of £47.53 for my budget of £50. So I have £2.53. Or is it 247? 247 left and change, which I was so happy about because I was like, I said to the girl, let me know when it reaches 50 or when we're close to 50, and she was like, it's 47. I was like, sweet, thank you Jesus. So let me just go and show you what I got today in today's shopping. Now, there was a few surprises because there has been a funny thing with prices in there, but I'll talk to you about that when I show you the product. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so this is everything that I got today for £47.53, I think it was. 47, yeah, £47.53. So this is it all. So let's just go through it. So, got our usual Aptamel dupes. I had to buy some Chupa Chups because I had the baby with me and she was giving me jip. So I was like, right, just keep her quiet. Big pundit of strawberries, some grapes, some chicken, custard creams, 2 loaves. I got a baguette as well because I'm doing some German sausages tonight. A thing of pain de chocolat. I got baked beans, and I also got 2 things of spaghetti hoops. You can kind of see them in there. I also got some lactose-free milk because we're trying Saoirse out on something new because, well, she's got allergies to milk. So we're just trying out that instead. Because it might be the lactose. We're just trying to figure out what it actually is. Don't know why I'm showing you the tag. Got some garlic, Jaffa cakes, fish fingers, dip and munch for movie weekend, some slices of cheddar, a melon, rashers, bananas, some sweeties, and I got my yogurts. I had to buy these as well. So I did get some extra things this week that I wouldn't have normally got. Like these were extra, the Chupa Chups were extra, these dip and munches are extra. So I'm sure if I had not got them, I would have probably saved even more. Some jelly, which is an extra as well. Then I got a big packet of crisps because they're always needed. I got these sliced fruit loaf, but they were 52p because they were reduced. So I was like, that's good. Thing of minced meat, some German sausages for tonight. 2 things of the soft cheese, garlic and herb. Boys love this. This is actually the nicest one. It's even nicer than the Philadelphia. It's got much more of a creamier texture. Definitely prefer this over the Philadelphia one. The Philadelphia one is just... Ugh. 2 packets of these chicken flavour microwavable rices just because I'm lazy and I can't be dealing with the heat in the kitchen. Thing of curly fries. Now, these, they literally had very little food in the fridges today. I don't know what was going on up there, but they didn't have the skinny fries is what I normally get because one of my boys is autistic and he just likes skinny fries because with autistic kids, sometimes they just like a particular thing. I know these will work because they're still skinny, but they just don't have an awful lot in the packet for your money. They were like £1 and something, I think. Let me actually check, what were they? Let me see. Frozen curly fries. They were £1.25, so the normal ones I get are like £1. But you know what, like, it is what it is. I also got this Coronation coleslaw, which Logan loves, so that's another one. And then Jude likes the cheesy coleslaw, and I like all of them, so it's a win-win. We all eat them. They'll all get ate. A thing of broccoli. I got 2 things of apples. I got these ones because they were 80p, the fun size apples, and even though they're exactly the same as the Gala apples, like there's literally damn all in the difference of the size. And these ones were £1.39, so I think I might just stick to the fun size apples because they're that bit cheaper. I also got some squishy squashy because we needed it. Now, Richmond sausages. These were £1.99 and you get 16. Or is it? No, sorry, 14 in a packet. But they have, after putting up the price of the Lidl's own brand Irish sausages, which were they were 99p, and now they're after going up to 1.15. So I'm like, what they're after doing is they're after putting up the price of their own ones and bringing down the price of the Richmond ones. So I'm like, I'm going to get the Richmond ones, even though they both taste exactly the same. But yeah, it's just the way they're doing it. So what I've kind of noticed is they put up the price of one thing and take it down on the other. Like I've noticed this week, the fish fingers over there were gone up by 10p. But then something else, the drumsticks were gone down by 10p. So I kind of have to keep an eye on what's going up and what's going down because they do seem to fluctuate quite a lot. I also got this coconut thingy. It was £1.89. This is coconut, like, why is my words gone off me today? Washing liquid for the machine for the clothes. This one was £1.89, which I thought was quite a good price. 28 washes. Don't know if it's as good as the other one that I get, but they didn't have any of that one left either. So I was like, I need washing powder, even though I'm only after getting liquid last week, but I'm nearly out of it. Because the weather has been so good, I've literally been washing everything, just to keep everything nice and clean. So that is today's washing, that is today's shopping. Lord bless us, I can't even speak. I hope you all get as much bargains as I did. I was very happy with that. I do know I have to get milk at some point during the week, so I'm going to keep my change in here because it will be needed for during the week to get milk, because I have to get regular milk for the rest of us, even though I have half a litre left, but it'll be fine. Alrighty folks, I'm going to love yous and leave yous. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall talk to you real soon. Bye!